This police role-play kit gives children a complete pretend officer outfit with clothing and accessories that make dress-up feel immersive and exciting. The included tape recorder and shoulder light both feature working lights and sounds, adding a surprisingly realistic touch that kids tend to love during imaginative play. The uniform pieces are made from polyester fabric with real buttons, pockets, and stitched details, so the costume looks more like a miniature uniform than a simple toy outfit. Parents will appreciate that the materials are designed to be gentle on skin, durable enough for frequent play, and easy to clean after busy days of make-believe. A wide range of available sizes means the costume can fit many ages, making it easier to choose a version that matches a child's height and build rather than guessing. Because it works well for Halloween, school performances, themed parties, and everyday role play, this set becomes a versatile gift that encourages creative and educational play.